Your 2018-2022 Honda Accord carries a temporary spare tire or donut located in the trunk. To access it, open the trunk, lift the floor mat, and remove the plastic cover underneath. You'll find the spare tire held down by a wing nut on a metal bar. Use the provided lug wrench to loosen this wing nut by turning it counterclockwise until you can remove the spare. The jack and lug wrench are also in the trunk compartment, typically in a black vinyl pouch or plastic box alongside the spare tire. Make sure you have these tools before you start. Missing tools can complicate a roadside emergency. First, ensure your Accord is on a flat surface and the parking brake is engaged. Loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire slightly with the lug wrench, about a half turn. Position the jack under the designated jacking points on the car's frame near the flat tire. Jack up the car until the flat tire is off the ground. Fully remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire onto the wheel studs, then hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the car and fully tighten the lug nuts with the lug wrench, again in a star pattern, to about 80 feet-pounds. Incorrect tightening can damage threads or cause the wheel to come loose. After changing the tire, you may need to recalibrate the TPMS.